Hey everyone, it's your name and welcome back to Living Well Daily. Today we're talking about a topic that's vital for our overall health and well-being, the liver. Specifically, we'll be discussing the top 5 foods you can incorporate into your diet to naturally cleanse and support this incredible organ. The liver is truly the unsung hero of our bodies, involved in over 500 bodily functions. So giving it a little extra love is crucial. Let's dive into these 5 powerhouse foods. Let's kick things off with a refreshing favorite, lemons. These zesty citrus fruits are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in liver detoxification. Vitamin C is essential for producing glutathione, a master antioxidant that helps neutralize harmful free radicals in the liver. Lemons also contain compounds that stimulate the production of enzymes in the liver, boosting its natural detoxification processes. They're like a natural cleanse for your liver, helping it flush out toxins more efficiently. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. Just squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water and enjoy it first thing in the morning. You can also add lemon to your salads, squeeze it over grilled fish or chicken, or use it to brighten up your favorite beverages. The possibilities are endless and the benefits for your liver are undeniable. So, next time life gives you lemons, make sure to show your liver some love. Next up, we have a leafy green superstar, kale. This nutritional powerhouse is packed with chlorophyll, a natural compound that gives plants their vibrant green color. Chlorophyll has amazing detoxification properties, especially when it comes to your liver. It binds to toxins in your bloodstream and helps remove them from your body, taking a significant load off your liver. Kale is also an excellent source of fiber, which is essential for healthy digestion and supporting the liver's detoxification processes. You can easily toss it into your smoothies for a nutritional boost, or saute it with some garlic and olive oil for a delicious and healthy side dish. You can even bake kale chips for a crunchy and satisfying snack. Enjoy more kale and give your liver the support it needs. Let's move on to a beverage that's been revered for centuries for its health benefits, green tea. This ancient elixir is packed with powerful antioxidants called catechins, which have remarkable protective effects on the liver. Catechins, particularly EGCCG, work by neutralizing harmful free radicals in the liver, protecting liver cells from damage and reducing inflammation. Studies have shown that green tea can also help reduce fat buildup in the liver, a condition known as fatty liver disease. Green tea's ability to promote healthy liver function and protect against damage makes it a true ally for your liver health. Simply steep a tea bag or loose leaf tea in hot water for a few minutes and savor its earthy flavor. You can enjoy it hot or cold, and you can even add a squeeze of lemon for an extra boost of flavor and detoxification power. Incorporate green tea into your routine and support your liver's health. Cheers to a healthier liver with every sip. When it comes to liver health, don't underestimate the power of walnuts. These crunchy and satisfying nuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly ALA. Omega-3s possess potent anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the liver and improve its overall function. Walnuts are also a good source of glutathione, a master antioxidant that plays a crucial role in liver detoxification. You can enjoy a handful as a satisfying snack, sprinkle them over your salads or yogurt, or even add them to your smoothies for a boost of healthy fats and liver-loving nutrients. Incorporate more walnuts into your diet and give your liver the support it needs. Your liver will thank you. Finally, let's talk about turmeric, the golden spice that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its incredible health benefits, especially for the liver. Turmeric contains curcumin, which gives the spice its vibrant yellow color and is responsible for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Curcumin works by reducing inflammation throughout the body, including the liver, helping protect liver cells and supporting its ability to regenerate and heal. It also helps boost the production of bile, a fluid produced by the liver that plays a vital role in digestion and detoxification. Add a teaspoon to your soups, stews, or curries for a flavor and health boost. You can also try golden milk, a comforting and anti-inflammatory drink made with turmeric, almond milk, and other spices like ginger and cinnamon. Enjoy the liver-loving benefits of turmeric and keep your liver functioning optimally. So, there you have it, folks. 5 incredibly powerful foods that can naturally cleanse and support your liver. Remember, incorporating these foods into your diet is a fantastic way to show your liver some love and support its vital functions. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Living Well Daily for more health tips and wellness advice. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Stay healthy and take good care of your liver, everyone. Until next time.